Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do some unboxing videos for Record Store Day 2020. This is the first drop, the August drop. They've essentially broken Record Store Day up into 3 lists as opposed to 1 to kind of keep traffic down. But yeah, I'm doing some unboxings essentially of the titles that I was looking forward to the most. The stuff that I had planned on keeping for myself. I'm going to do a video that encompasses everything that the store is receiving for Record Store Day. That'll be later on in the week, over the weekend. So check back for that. But yeah, 1 o'clock Eastern Time, anything that's not sold in the store will be available on our website, www.theingroove.com. The Bowie titles are always extremely popular. Tried to save that shrink, that did not happen. Nice poly-lined inners. So this is Bowie 1974. Michigan Palace, October 20th, 1974, and at the Municipal Auditorium in Nashville, November 30th, 1974. So it's kind of a blend of 2 concerts. Pretty cool. I like the good amount of liner notes, credits on the inside. Nice, clean. Yeah, real nice. No fill. Yeah. Always good on these super limited Record Store Day releases. You always get nervous. You stand outside, you wait in line, and you hope that if something's, you hope something's not damaged, because with Record Store Day, there's not much you can do with it. There's such a finite amount of these that there's no way to replace it. But everything I opened so far this year has all been clean and damage-free. So yeah, the poly liners definitely help. So yeah, Bowie, I'm Only Dancing, the Soul Tour, 1974. Don't forget, 1 o'clock, www.theingroove.com. You can shop online if I still have them available. Over $40 gets free shipping. Until next time.